Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous vlog I told you that in my new vlog I will be discussing about singular and plural noun, but please make sure don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to miss the bell icon. And in my previous vlog I told you that we will be discussing about singular and plural noun. So let's start with singular and plural noun. So what is a singular and plural noun? Singular noun is the name of one person, place, animal or thing. As for example, you can take boy, cat, pencil. Plural noun is the name of more than one person, place, animal or thing. For example, boys, cats, pencils. Okay. Now let's come to the rules of singular and plural noun. As we all know that we all know that we can make plural noun by just adding s to it. So these are some of the singular nouns which we can, if we use s at the end of a word, it will make singular noun. So cup will become cups, pen will become pens, river will become rivers and mug will become mugs. Okay, now let's come to some other rules. So now remember, if a singular noun ends in s, x, ch, z, sh, then what we have to do? Then we have to add es to it. Like bus will become buses, fox will become foxes, bush will become bushes, peach will become peaches. Okay, as you can see, this singular noun ends in s, so I have used es. Fox ends in x, so I have used foxes. Bush, sh, so I have used es. Ch, so I have used es. So remember this thing. Now if a singular noun ends in f or fe, then we have to use ves. Okay, so if there is life, life, so we have to remove this fe and we have to use ves. And if it is kinefe, knife, we have to take out this fe and we have to use knives, knives, we have to use ves. Okay, but some exceptions are also there. Okay, so like roof, 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 we can't say roofs, roves, so we have to add only s to it. Chef will become chefs, chief will become chiefs. So in this way there are some exceptions also. Now if a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant, then we have to use ies. Now you see lady, lady, so y ends in y, the singular noun is ending in y and the word before y is a consonant sound, that is d. D is a consonant, so we have to use ies. We have to remove this y and have to add ies to it. Country will become countries, city will become cities. But if a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a vowel, then we only have to use s. City, o is a vowel, so we have to use toys. Key, key, e is a vowel, so we have to use s. Now singular nouns end in o will have es to it. Like tomato will become tomatoes, potato will become potatoes. So some exceptions are also there. Like if I write piano, piano, we will not use es to it, rather we will only add s to it. Okay, and the nouns ending in is will what we will add es to it. Like axis, axis, we will take out this is and we will add es to it to make it a plural noun. Oasis will become oasis, oascs. Okay, but if there is, when there is when to add I, if a singular noun is like this, fungus, fungus, okay, at the end us is there, So we will take out this us to, and we will just add I to it to make it a proper noun, a plural noun. Likewise, cactus, we will take out us, just to make it a plural noun we will add I to it. Now let's come to the next one. So if the singular noun ends in is, what we will add? We will add es, like analyzes will become analyzes. If the singular noun ends in ends in on, sorry, we will add we will add a to it. Like if it's phenomenon, we will add phenomena. On, we have take out this on and we have add only a to make it a plural noun. But some nouns in both cases are similar. Okay, like ship will remain same in plural noun also. Ship, ship. Deer, deer. Scissors, scissors. Jeans, jeans. News, news. We can't change it. Okay. And last, irregular nouns which has no rules actually. You just have to remember it. Like child will become children, man will become men, tooth will become teeth, mouse will become mice, foot will become feet. Okay, so I hope I'm clear to you guys that singular noun always refers to one thing, name, place, name of one person, place, animal or thing. Plural noun refers to more than that. So these are some of the rules which I have discussed with you, that mostly we know that in order to make a plural noun we add actually s to it, but there are some other exceptions also. If the words ends in s, x, ch, z, sh, we have to use es to it to make it a plural noun. Okay, likewise if the singular noun ends in f or fe, we have to add ves to it. But some exceptions are there, like roof, roof, chef, chief. Okay, next, if a singular noun ends in y and the letter before y is a consonant sound, then we have to add ies to it to make it a plural noun. Similarly, if the singular noun ends in y and the letter before y is a vowel sound, then we just have to add s to it. Okay, now you can see singular nouns ends in os will take es to make it a plural noun, but some exceptions are there, like piano will become pianos, photo will become photos, photos, not photoes. Okay, and nouns ending in is will take es to make it a plural noun, like axis will become axis, oasis will become oasis. And in order to make a plural noun, when the words ends in us, we will add I to it, like fungus will become fungi, fungi, cactus will become cacti, cacti. Okay, now if the singular noun ends in on, we will add just a to make it a plural noun. And some of the nouns that will never change, okay, which will be similar in both singular and plural noun, that is ship, deer, jeans, pants, trousers, news. Okay, so I hope you like this vlog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon, and thank you so very much for